Hi everyone. So today we're gonna share a yummy recipe of chocolate cake with vanilla icing. And so for the recipe, let's see. First, what we need to add. Any guess? So we're gonna add all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, and sugar, and also baking soda and salt, and mix everything well. We're gonna mix 2 eggs with 1 cup of milk and half cup of oil and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 stick of butter. And also either you can use coffee or water, whichever you like, and mix them well. And now I'm gonna bake the mixture for 60 minutes. But meanwhile, I'm gonna prepare the icing. So I'm adding vanilla extract, cream cheese, and melted butter. I have added all the quantities in the video, so please kindly have a look at the video to see the quantities, and also powdered sugar. And then I'm gonna blend everything to make the icing for the cake. And so the cake is ready, and now I'm gonna put the icing on top. And as you can see, we have the yummy cake. I'm gonna tell you how it tastes a little bit later, as I'm gonna eat that in front of you after a few minutes. So after cutting the cake, as you can see, the inside texture is really nice and really fluffy, soft. Alrighty, so let's taste and tell you guys how it is made. Oh my! Let's have the second bite. Want some? Thank you for watching.